Before you got married, before things got hard, you were a completely different person in your relationship. You were patient. You were generous. You listened. So what happened? Well, I'll tell you exactly what happened. Your nervous system took over, and nobody told you. My name is Russ Palmer. Welcome back to the channel. I build operating systems for relationships, and here's what's running yours right now and what we can do about it. Your nervous system is running your marriage, and the crazy part, you don't even know it's happening. Every human being operates in one of two nervous system states at any given moment. In psychological terms, these are called a sympathetic and a parasympathetic state. I call them a primal state and a connected state. In a connected state, you're regulated, open, generous, and curious. You can hear your partner. You can think clearly. You're the person you want to be in your relationship. In a primal state, however, your brain has registered a threat. It doesn't matter if the threat is real. Your body doesn't know the difference between a lion and your partner's tone of voice, but you are now in survival mode. So, what does being in a primal state actually do? Well, here's what most people don't know. In a primal state, you don't think and then act. You act, and then your brain makes up a story about why you acted. Behavior first, justification second. That's not a character flaw, it's just neuroscience. But in a relationship, whoa, it's a wrecking ball. So let's just say a couple comes home and the sink is full of dishes. One partner walks in and immediately feels their chest tighten. That's not just anger, it's a nervous system response. By the time they open their mouth, they're already in primal state. Whatever comes out next is not a conversation. It's a survival reaction. And their partner, who had no idea the sink was a loaded gun, is now in a primal state too. You have two people in survival mode trying to have a relationship. Unfortunately, that's far too many couples on most nights. Now, most people at this point might schedule an appointment with a therapist who then hands them a quiz on attachment styles and then explains, well, you're anxiously attached and your partner is just an avoidant. You've probably heard all about attachment styles, anxious, avoidant, secure, and knowing your pattern is interesting. But here's what nobody tells you. Knowing your pattern does absolutely nothing to regulate your nervous system in the moment. You can know you're anxiously attached and still blow up your relationship every Tuesday night. Insight without a tool is just really expensive self-awareness. So, what actually works? Well, you need two things. First, the ability to recognize when you've shifted into a primal state before your mouth opens. Second, an agreed upon protocol with your partner for what happens next. Not a fight, not a shutdown, a deliberate interrupt. Something you've both practiced and agreed to before the moment occurs. This is what I call the interrupt protocol, and it's one of the things I establish with every couple I work with. So, here's the question I want you to reflect on. Think about your last real argument with your partner. Not what it was about, but where you were in your nervous system when it started. Were you regulated, or had something already shifted before the first word was spoken? Because if you can answer that honestly, you're already ahead of most couples. Look, your nervous system isn't the enemy. It's there to keep you alive. But it was never really designed for intimacy. It was designed for survival. And the relationship you want, the one that actually lasts, requires you to build something your biology never planned for. Look, your nervous system isn't the enemy. It's kept you alive. But it was never designed for intimacy. It was designed for survival. And the relationship you want, the one that actually lasts, requires that you build something your biology never planned for. And that's the work. And it's worth it. If this resonated with you, or if you saw yourself or your partner in any of it, I want you to do one thing in the next 24 hours. Just have a 5-minute talk with your partner where you both answer this question. What does it look like when I'm in a primal state? Just describe it. No blame, no history, just the observable facts. That one conversation will teach you more about your relationship than most couples learn in years. If you want to go deeper, go to the Way of Coupling. I work with couples who are serious about building something intentional, not just surviving, actually building. And don't forget to subscribe if this is the kind of conversation you want more of. See you next time.